boys and girls. It's Wednesday already. Can you believe it? Shall we start our day by singing Sammy Snake? Let's go. Says Sammy Snake, slithering silently. Says Sammy Snake, on the sand by the sea. See how she smiles as she sits in the sun. Says Sammy Snake, this is fun.
It's Wednesday, the 12th of August 2020. Let's see what work we have to do today.
Boys and girls, today I want you to try and count without your counting card, by just remembering the numbers from 1 to 70 without looking at your card. So let's start. I'll get up to about 12 and then you carry on. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you remember who this is? This is the sound we learned yesterday. And this is Vicky Violet. I'm going to give you 20 seconds now to think of as many words as you can that start with V. And go.
Were these some of the words that you remembered? Vegetables, van, volcano, vulture, village, or vases? Did you have some extra ones of your own? What sound is that? Look at the picture, say the word, and then say the sound that the word starts with. Let's practice our nursery rhyme, Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey, when down came a spider that sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. I'd like you to meet another troublemaker in Letterland. His name is Walter Walrus, and he loves to splash everyone who passes by with his webbed feet. Walter Walrus says this sound, w, w, w. Whenever you're near water in Letterland, you can be sure that Walter Walrus will be wallowing close by. Walter Walrus loves to rest with his webbed flippers wedged into his 2 water wells while he sunbathes. Walter likes to watch the whales splashing in the water, making huge white waves. The whales are not the only one making waves in Letterland, though. When you go near Walter, be wary. At times, he gets quite wild. He whips up waves in his water wells. Then, splash, you will get all wet. Everyone in Letterland enjoys Walter Walrus. except when he teases them by splashing them all over with his salty water. Then they wish he was anywhere else in the world, but not Letterland. Let's look at some words that begin with the w sound. Say the word and then clap out the syllables. Water, water. Watch, watch. Wedding, wedding. Washing, washing. Wheel, wheel. Wave, wave.
Okay, I've introduced you to Walter Walrus. We've learnt the sound that he makes, and we've looked at some words that start with W. Now, let's see how we write W. That's what it looks like when we write it, but now Mrs. Asen is going to show you how to write it. So, we go down the mountain, up the mountain, down the mountain, up the mountain. And we don't lift up our koki. We go down the mountain, up the mountain, down the mountain, up the mountain, all the way to the top.
It's work time, so let's get busy. First, trace the W with koki. Then, colour in Walter Walrus just like the picture. And lastly, colour in all the W pictures. On your second worksheet for today, Mrs. Aston would like you to draw a picture of yourself. First, write your name with pencil at the top of the page and then draw a picture of yourself in the middle of the frame. Colour it in when you're done. Bye-bye, boys and girls. See you tomorrow for Thursday's video.